ngayon is hahanapin natin yung application ng differential sa paghanap ng mga slope or point ng slope or ng slope. So dito, hinahanap na what point is 9 the slope of the curve. At what point is 9 the slope of the curve is y equal to x cubed minus 3x squared. So una natin gagawin is i-derive natin yung given na y equal x cubed minus 3x squared. So balik ito. So y equal to x cubed minus 3x squared. Ang derivative niyan is y prime equal 3x squared minus 6x. So ayan na natin siya. After natin siyang ma-derive is itong i-give natin is equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 6x. Pero dahil nga may binay tayo na slope is 9, so yung imbis na 0 is equal natin 2 na lang. So after that, i-divide natin both sides sa 3. So, ang makatira sa atin is x squared minus 2x is equal to 3. So, ito na. After natin ito, i-transpose natin ito 3, which is magiging, ito siya ilipat natin, x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Tapos, hanapin natin yung value ng x. So ito siya, makikita natin na perfect square from x squared minus 2x minus 3 which is equal to 0. So yan, perfect square yan siya. So yan, pwede yan natin siya ma-express sa ganito. So pwede siya sa may 3x minus 3 and x plus 1. Yan. Pag yung apply natin yung form is itong x minus 3 and x times x plus 1 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So yun lang siya. So dito meron tayo dalawang value ng x. So x minus 3 equal to 0 which is equal to x natin is equal to 3. And the other value naman is x plus 1 equal to 0, which is x is equal to negative 1. So after natin magawa yan, is isasap natin itong dalawang value natin dito. So para mahanap natin yung y. So yung una natin is yung x equal 3. So with x equal 3, yung y natin is 3 nga. So yung magiging siya 3 raised to 3 or 3 cubed minus 3 times 3 raised to 2. And yung equal na y natin is 2. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Minus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times ay 3 times 9 is 27 then. So yung y natin is equal to 0 when yung x natin is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3, yung y is 0. Yun. Sino mas may kapila? So, x minus 1, when x minus 1 ay x equal to negative 1, sabi natin pa rin sa kapila, negative 1, u minus 3, negative 1 squared. So, yung y natin is magiging negative 1 minus 3, which is magiging 1, y equal to negative 4. So, yan ang yung mga coordinates natin. So, therefore, yung coordinates natin, pag na yung point na magiging na yung slope is 3, 0, and negative 1, 4. Yan. So, yan na yung final answer natin para sa ating maghanap ng point kung saan yung slope ng curve is 9. And yun lamang para sa application ng differential